All right, you see this piece right here? It's made out of plastic. It gets old and tired, it breaks and things like that. And you don't really need this thing. You can just take this and throw it away, no big deal. But what's going to happen? Trash is going to get in there, leaves going to get in there, dirt's going to get in there, moisture is going to get in there, and it's all going to come down here. It's going to fester, and it's going to cause rust. Then you're going to have to bring it to me, and it's going to cost you money, time, and trouble that you probably don't have or want. Now, this is called a trash cowl vent shield. And what it's supposed to do is keep all that trash out of there so you can keep your rust at bay. This is a nice, simple, inexpensive little piece. It installs really easy. You see these hooks right here? And then it's got these tabs right here. So all you do is you just put the hooks right underneath the cowl lip right here, tuck it up underneath there. Then you just take the tabs and push them right down into the holes that are already there. So you can see it installs no time, no trouble, very inexpensive, and it's going to save you a ton of money. Now this right here, this is for your 73 to 87 square body trucks, Chevy or GMC. Now if you got a 67 to 72, they actually did not come with these, and I have to do a lot of rush repairs on that. But we've got a solution for you for your 67 to 72 Chevy and GMC too. We've got vent trash guards that you can just go ahead and install. These install really nice and easy too. You can get it in stainless steel if you want to get a little bling, or you can get it in black if you want to do something a little bit more subtle. And of course you can paint the black ones to match so it blends in also. My name's David Welch. I'm here at Brothers Truck every single Tuesday finding solutions for your truck to get you back on the road with the least amount of time, trouble, and money that you can get by with. You make sure you check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Well, really, I don't care if you subscribe to the YouTube channel or not. What I really want you to do is I want you to learn. I want you to learn and get your truck back on the road. Then what I want you to do is I want you to teach, because through teaching, you are becoming immortal. Join me and we will all live forever.